everyone and welcome. Today is a very exciting day because I've just received my products from Enagic. So we're going to do a bit of an unboxing of not one, but 3 products. So I've got the Level Up K8, the M-Guard and the Enagic DX. They're all products that are absolute game changers for your health and well-being. Whether you're new to Enagic or you've heard of the buzz, you're in for a treat. So, first up, we'll start up with the powerhouse unit itself, the Level Up K8. It's their flagship product and it's packed with features that take water filtration and alkalization to a new level and hydrates you on a molecular level. There we go. We got installations, a whole big book, and I believe it's the operation manual, shows you how to use it and what to do with it. Alright, so there's all your pieces to connect to your tap to hook up your K8. More pieces for your tap. Power cord unit. Oh, awesome. Also got a pH test. Check the alkalinity or the acidity. And here we've got test paper. So you can compare it. Alrighty. Let's get into it. Oops. So even more tap attachments. Whatever tap you have, you'll be able to connect it. Now to bring out the main part of it. Oh, wow. Look at that beauty. This is the actual machine. Beautiful looking machine. Nice and compact, nice and modern, and yes, this is all touchscreen. So I believe that's where your water will come from, and that'll be your waste. Or you can reuse it because it'll be the acidic part of the water. In a future video I'll be showing how I connect it up and get the water flowing. So next up, get rid of this rubbish. We have the Enagic DX, which is your home spa. Great for people who care about the health of their skin and their hair. It filters out all the bad stuff, like the chlorine and the fluoride and whatnot. And it's full of minerals from Japan, like tuca and mica. Let's start. So that's your shower head. Shower head. Pretty average, nice and neat though. Little extra tap pieces. Unsure what that's for. And you got pieces for your tap. Hook it up in your shower or your bath. Some extra hoses, sort of a thin one, and then you got a couple like normal ones for your shower. Beautiful. And then you got the unit. So that'll that'll be where you filter your water from. There you have it, the Enagic. Be like having a nice hot spring every day. Mineral iron water, it's beautiful. Let's bring some of this stuff. And last but not least, we have Enagic's most unique product called the Enagic. So this thing protects you from harmful radio waves, also known as EMFs, and neutralizes them. It says, change your environment, change your life. Neutralizes all radio waves from like your smartphones, your laptop, television, Wi-Fi router even. Yeah, there you go. Very nice looking design. Pretty sure all you got to do is plug it in here. So I'll grab the cord out. Yep, just use any old block, and then it's USB-C. So just plug it in there, turn it on over the power, and you're good to go. So there you have it. The Enagic DX, the M-Guard, and my favourite, the K8. Can't wait to start using these, I'm very excited. And if you or anyone in your family want to know how you can get your hands on one of them, feel free to message me and I'll show you how. And comment below, tell me what product you're most excited about. And don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and family. Cheers.